Hello everybody, Steve Rennick here again, and I'm here to talk to you today about what you do if you're injured on the job. As a construction worker, I'm sure you've gone through a number of different injuries on the job. Some minor, maybe some more severe. But there's always one thing that I can assure you. You're not a doctor, you're a construction worker. So sometimes you don't know what's going to be severe and what's not going to be severe. I've had too many construction workers, what they'll do is, I'm going to walk this off, I'm going to tough this out. My back hurt, yeah, my back always hurts me. I want to tough this out. And what happens? They don't do certain things to protect themselves because you don't know whether it's going to get worse or not. So a few things that you absolutely should do if you have an accident on the job. First, report your accident, report your injury. Don't be a tough guy or tough lady. I don't want to be sexist here. Tough guy, tough lady. Say, I'm going to walk this off. Report it. Report your injury. Don't wait, because if you wait, you're hurting yourself. Request medical treatment immediately. You don't know how badly you're injured. You may have injure your back, say, you know what, I've hurt my back here and there before, but you don't know what's wrong. Don't take the chance. Report it. Protect yourself. Report the fact you had an injury. Get it in writing. What I often tell my clients to do is text their supervisor. Have it in writing that you for later on, just in case they want to try to deny your case. Hey, wait a minute. I told you right here. Here's the text. Here's the email. Here's my proof. If there's an incident where you might trip and fall, there's something there. Take pictures. We all have these little portable photograph machines now, known as a phone camera. Take pictures. Don't be afraid. There's nothing wrong with taking pictures, making sure you protect yourself. What if the employer doesn't report the accident? You ask, I tell you, I had the accident, I'm injured. Don't worry, it's nothing, you'll be fine. And don't report the accident. And make sure you report the accident. Make sure you find out who their insurance company is. And there's ways to do this. You go easily on Google, you search Florida Workers' Compensation Proof of Coverage. You go on that Google search, there's a Florida Department of Financial Services website that you put your employer's name in there, you will find out who their workers' compensation carrier is. You report the accident. Don't wait. If they're not going to help you out, you do it yourself. They're supposed to have a poster up with a workers' comp, broken arm, and with the information on what your rights are under workers' comp. Look for that. Get the name of their carrier. Finally, most important rule, and I can't emphasize this enough, don't give false information. What do I mean by that? Don't tell them if you have a back injury. I've never hurt my back. I never got medical treatment in my life. When you have had accidents, even if it's minor, even if it's not the same, you've had medical treatment for your back in life, tell them. Tell your doctor on the first visit. Tell what all your medical history is, because if you don't, you can get in trouble. Not the employer, you can get in trouble for fraud. The easiest way to avoid that is to tell the truth. Make sure you tell your first doctor everything that you've had before. If you've been in a car accident before, so what? You went back to work, you were fine, and you injured your back. Just because you have prior back injury doesn't mean you're going to get this denied. And if you are denied, then you need to get yourself representation. I'm here to just tell you what your rights are, but you need to make sure you protect your rights. If you ever have any questions, I really encourage you to join my Facebook group, Florida Construction Workers Facebook group. And you'll learn a whole bunch of things, have a lot of videos on there that can help you out. If you ever have any questions, you certainly can contact me at srenick, RENICK, at protectingtheworker.com. I look forward to seeing you on our Facebook group.